Hey, there's a tip jar over here. If y'all wanna like donate, we got some bad shit that went down on the 4th. We're donating our door money to that. Yeah, if you can help, that's rad. There's also a bucket up here that's all going to that. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming out. We have a new album called Panoramic Kill Scene. This is our release party. Just came out the other day. We have merch in the back. My wife's selling it. Let's do it.